Hi everybody. Today I want to go through how you can configure Nova Backup to back up to the Impossible Cloud S3 storage. This is assuming that you have everything already set up on Impossible Cloud, your account set up, configuration and all that things going on, and you've installed the software already, and I am looking at the agent within the management server right now. So within this agent, I'm on the agent tab. I go to the device tab here, at which point I hit add device. And what we want to do is do a type of Amazon S3 compatible, and device type is the S3 compatible device, not existing cloud storage. We want to do the top one here. And in here, let's just name it. We'll call it Impossible Cloud. The URL, this is going to be from the Impossible Cloud guide. You know, there's a couple different endpoints out there that you can use. I'm going to use this particular one that I've already set a bucket for. Then we'll put in our access key, our secret key, and in this case, the bucket name. Bucket name is going to be MBK Demo Video. And then username and backup directory. These are basically going to show up as folders within that bucket. So in this case, I'm going to just call it demo, and the backup directory is just going to be backup. So this would be used if you had, say, multiple different machines backing up to the same bucket, etc. So you could have username of, Nate's laptop, and then, Nate's workstation, etc. So you can kind of differentiate and know how much each one of this is using. The domain machine name, you don't need to fill that in. It's going to automatically fill that in when you add that. That's only really used when you need to do a recovery. Encryption key, so if you want to encrypt the backup going up to the cloud, you can do that. And then quota, this is going to be kind of like a soft quota from the actual agent itself. So if you say, hey, I want to put 500 gig on this particular device, it's going to go by that username. So it's going to have 500 gig worth of data on that username. That's just so you know how that's going to work. After I do that, I'll just hit add device. It's going to push down the device down to the agent, and at which point you can go ahead and do a job. So I'll just create a job here. I'll just call it Demo Impossible Cloud Backup, and I'll just say I want to back up. We'll go to the users directory. I'll choose that particular device I just added. I'm going to, set the retention. It's just defaulted 30 days. That's all I really want. I'll hit save. I could have scheduled that if I wanted to, but in this case, I'm just going to not have it scheduled. Then I can go back to jobs here, and I can actually just hit start, and it's going to kick off that job. So that's all that there really is in order to set up the Impossible Cloud storage device on Nova Backup through the management server.